Okay, so this is just a really quick video to compare the difference in sound between the two FTO exhausts that we've got. The one on my left hand side, your right hand side, has got a stainless steel system from the manifolds back, but it's got a catalytic converter and a Milltek exhaust. The one on your left, my right, has got a Mongoose exhaust, we think, back box, and then a standard centre pipe with no catalytic converter and the iron exhaust manifold. Right, we'll start them up and we'll give it a bit of a rev and you can tell me what you think. So there you go, it's two different exhausts, both of them sound great, but we definitely think the one without the catalytic converter has got the edge. Thanks for watching, see you soon.